funny. So I've got a lot of comments, a lot of messages asking me if the word I did yesterday, mazzati, is the same as ammazzari. Well, no, it's not. One letter changes the whole meaning of the word because mazzati means to get hit, like I explained yesterday. It's le botte. But ammazzari means to kill. In Italian, we say uccidere. So one letter changes the whole meaning of the word. So mazzati is to get hit. Ammazzari means to kill. So it's two different meanings, one letter difference. Mazzati e ammazzari. Ammazzari. Look at the spelling, because now I do my videos, I add the spelling and the word so that you're visual and you see it. But mazzati and ammazzari, two different things. One is to get hit, one is to kill. So that's the word for today. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe if you do, and give me a follow on Instagram. I'm always posting positive and funny things just to change your thoughts, change your ideas, and give you that outlet to escape your bubble or whatever you're going through. So if you enjoy my stuff, please give me a follow on Instagram, Big Mama Siciliana, as well as my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana Learn Sicilian one word at a time. Come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.